Realme 16 Pro images, confirming a flat front panel and a square rear camera island with rounded corners. It appears to contain 3 lenses and an LED flash. The phone will measure 7.75mm in thickness and weigh 192 grams. While we still have plenty of months for the launch, the expected color variants and storage options of the Realme 16 Pro 5G model were leaked online, giving us an early glimpse of what to expect. As of now, the launch is not expected until January or February of 2026. The Realme 16 Pro will come in 3 color options, include Peeble Gray, Master Gold, and Orchid Purple. The Realme 16 Pro is said to be available in 12GB plus 256GB and a top-end 12GB plus 512GB model. It runs Android 16 with Realme UI 7. It has a 6.78-inch OLED screen delivering a 1.5K resolution, support a 144Hz refresh rate, an ultrasonic in-screen fingerprint sensor. The Realme 16 Pro will feature a 200MP primary camera paired with an 8MP ultra-wide lens on the back, 50MP sensor for selfies. The phone includes a 7000 mAh typical battery, expected 80W charging. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.